Ever pondered over why your doctor keeps checking your blood pressure? Well, let's delve into it. Blood pressure, in essence, is the force exerted by the blood against the walls of your blood vessels. Now imagine your blood vessels as a garden hose. When the pressure is too high, it can damage the hose, right? The same happens to your blood vessels. High blood pressure, medically known as hypertension, is often dubbed as the silent killer. Why? Because it creeps up unnoticed. It's like that uninvited guest at a party that's causing havoc. But everyone is too busy having fun to notice. High blood pressure can lead to serious complications like heart disease and stroke if left unchecked. So it's not just a number, it's a barometer of your overall health. So blood pressure isn't just about those readings at the doctor's office, but a key indicator of your overall health. Now you might wonder, what causes this silent health hazard? Well, brace yourself as we delve into the first 4 causes of high blood pressure. First up, the culprit often hiding in plain sight, our diet. Yes, those sneaky burgers and fries aren't just a threat to your waistline, but also your blood pressure. You see, a diet high in sodium and low in potassium can cause your body to retain fluid, which increases blood pressure. And let's not forget the surplus of saturated and trans fats that can clog up your arteries faster than a rush hour traffic jam. Now on to our second cause, obesity. This isn't just about body image or fitting into your favorite pair of jeans. Excess weight makes your heart work harder to pump blood, leading to elevated blood pressure. It's a bit like asking a small car to pull a large trailer. It's just not designed for the job. Our third cause is the lack of physical activity. Now, I'm not suggesting you need to be a gym rat or run marathons, but a sedentary lifestyle can weaken your heart, making it less efficient at pumping blood. It's like a muscle. The less you use it, the weaker it becomes. So get out there, get moving, make your heart happy. Lastly, excessive alcohol consumption. Now, there's nothing wrong with the odd tipple here and there, but regularly knocking back more than the recommended amount can lead to high blood pressure, among other health issues. It's a bit like a party. It's fun in moderation, but too much of it can leave you with a nasty hangover, or in this case, high blood pressure. So, these are the first 4 culprits contributing to high blood pressure. But wait, the list isn't over yet. Stay tuned as we reveal the remaining causes in our next segment. Ready to unveil the rest of the culprits behind high blood pressure? Well, buckle up because we're diving right in. Let's start with a modern-day monster, stress. Now, we're not talking about the, oh, I spilled my coffee kind of stress. We mean the chronic, gnawing, keeps you up at night kind of stress. This relentless pressure can cause your body to produce hormones that increase your heart rate and constrict your blood vessels, leading to, you guessed it, high blood pressure. Next up on our rogues gallery is old age. Now, don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with a few gray hairs and a penchant for early bedtimes. But as we age, our blood vessels lose some of their elasticity, making it harder for blood to flow freely. This resistance can cause blood pressure to rise, turning your golden years a shade more tarnished. Then we have genetics, the wild card in our deck. Like it or not, your family history plays a hefty role in your blood pressure story. If high blood pressure runs in your family, you're more likely to find yourself in this high-stakes game. But remember, it's not all doom and gloom. With a healthy lifestyle, you can still keep your numbers in check. Last, but certainly not least, is chronic kidney disease. This silent saboteur can cause havoc with your blood pressure. Your kidneys play a crucial role in controlling your blood pressure by balancing fluid levels in your body. When they're not working properly, it can cause an imbalance, leading to, you've guessed it again, high blood pressure. And there you have it, the full lineup of factors that can push your blood pressure through the roof. But remember, knowledge is power. Understanding these causes is the first step to taking control and keeping your blood pressure in check. So we've unmasked the villains, but what's next? How can you fight back? Let's talk about it. High blood pressure isn't a monster lurking in the shadows waiting to pounce. It's more like a sneaky little gremlin, one that creeps up on you when you're not looking. But now you're looking. You're aware. And that's half the battle. Awareness is the first step. It's the flashlight in the dark, the compass in the wilderness. It's your tool to navigate the tricky terrain of your health. And now that you've got it, use it. Be proactive. Don't wait for high blood pressure to come knocking at your door before you do something about it. Now, I'm not saying you need to become a health fanatic, but a little bit of vigilance goes a long way. Regular checkups, healthy eating, and a bit of exercise can make a world of difference. They're like your secret weapons. in the fight against high blood pressure. And don't forget to consult with healthcare professionals. They're like the superheroes in this story, armed with knowledge and experience to help you manage and prevent high blood pressure. Don't hesitate to reach out to them. They're there to guide you, to help you understand your body better, your needs, and how you can address them. This isn't just about high blood pressure, it's about your health, your well-being, your life, and you're the one in control. You're the one who can make the choices that lead to a healthier, happier you. It's not about fear, it's about empowerment. So go on, take charge. Be the hero of your own story. Make the choices that will keep that sneaky gremlin at bay. Eat well, move more, stress less. It's simple really, but it's effective. And remember, you're not alone in this. There's a whole community of people out there just like you who are taking control of their health, who are fighting back against high blood pressure. Join them, learn from them, grow with them. Remember, knowledge is power. And now that you're equipped with the knowledge, take the power into your hands and keep high blood pressure at bay.